James Drainey here from InternetBizUni.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly what happens when I delete my Instagram account with over 10,000 followers. It's a pretty wet day here in London, as you can see behind me, so what I'm going to do now is just go inside, go on my computer and show you how all of this goes down. Something that I haven't done before, so I'm interested in actually seeing how it goes down. Said I might as well shoot a video and show it to you as well.
Okay, good. I'm inside now and out of the rain, so I can continue on with this video. And yeah, what I'll be showing you is me exactly deleting my Instagram account for good, permanently. Has over 10,000 followers. But what I'm going to do is first show you my Instagram account, explain to you why I am deleting it. Why would you consider deleting an Instagram account that has over 10,000 followers? And then I'm going to actually show you me deleting the account. But I have a lot to get done, so I'm just going to crack on with it now and show you exactly how all of this plans out. Okay, so this is the Instagram account that I've decided to delete, and I've changed the username a number of different times on this account, but it doesn't make any difference with me because, again, it still comes back to the same things. And if you just don't have interest in producing this type of content, then again, you're just not going to enjoy it. You're not going to do it as much as you should, and you're not going to get the best benefits out of it. And you should definitely focus your attention on things that you have interest in, things that you actually enjoy doing. And that's what I plan to be doing, and not doing the things that I don't enjoy doing. Because when time is limited, you really have to use that resource carefully, and you can't be just spending time on areas of it that you don't really have interest in. So that's why I'm going ahead and deleting it. But as you can see, over the last couple of years, we got to 10,500 followers. So that's it. Just wanted to give you a quick look through my Instagram account before closing it down. So yeah, just various different pictures. And yeah, I've had different usernames for the account, tried different content strategies. And yeah, some of it has worked. But it's just, again, goes back to what you enjoy doing. What do you get the most benefit from your time in doing? And yeah, for me at this moment in time, it's not Instagram. Okay, so now that you've seen my Instagram account, you're probably thinking, why would you bother deleting it? Like, why wouldn't you just leave it there and use it when you use it and don't use it when you don't use it? And yeah, the reason for that is because I don't use Instagram. Like, I don't enjoy using it as a platform. But I know that for business, you have to be on it. Like most people around the world are on Instagram. So you as business owner, you have to be on it to showcase what it is that you sell, whatever it is that you sell. And with my brand accounts that I have on Instagram that I'm leaving there, not my personal account or not the one that's linked to my blog or to this YouTube channel, just the brand accounts, I just hire someone to run them. And they're a lot easier to manage than when it's your own kind of account or your own blog that you're putting out there. And that's for the one simple reason that you can just hire someone to manage the account, give them a strategy to follow, whether that's just reaching out to influencers, getting your products placed with influencers, getting pictures of the product, getting customers to send you pictures of them using the product and showcasing that on your Instagram, as well as liking and commenting on your potential customers' posts and engaging with your customers this way. And that's fine, and that works well when you're a business doing that and promoting your products this way. But when it's your own personal type of blog or vlog, like what I do here at Internet Biz Uni, then it's a bit different. But for me, I had no interest in doing it. Like, I just don't have interest in it as a platform that way, as using it all the time. Just better silence this. So what I decided to do was to get a management company that specializes in growing Instagram accounts to manage my account for me. So I just started my search like any other, just started searching on YouTube, ways to grow your Instagram account. And yeah, just came across a few different ways and then hired a management company off recommendations that I received just by watching YouTube videos. But this turned out to be an absolute complete disaster. Like, at the time, I had like 2,000 followers when I first started reaching out to management companies to manage my Instagram account. And the reason it was a disaster is because the management company that I went with were using engagement groups to grow my following, which again, I was okay with. The strategy sounded good when I heard about it. I obviously didn't know Instagram that well as a platform, but what they were saying made sense. So basically how an engagement group works is different people with different Instagram accounts sign up to these engagement groups. When you post a post, they spread it into these engagement groups, and then you get a load of engagement on your post. So you get comments, you get likes, and then Instagram starts showing your posts to more and more people. This way your posts get seen by more and more people and you pick up more and more followers. It's a very straightforward strategy to get more followers, but there is a big flaw with it, and that is for the reason the majority of followers you will pick up will be people who actually don't care about what it is you're posting. They only start following you because they're in these engagement groups and they want you, or if you have a management company, they want them to engage with their posts. So that's what was happening. The management company was going out, engaging with all of these different posts from my account, and they in return were engaging with my posts. And the data that the management company were coming back with was looking good. Like, I was just giving them different pictures, they were posting them for me and doing what they were doing, and the data coming back was looking good. I was growing hundreds, if not even thousands of followers some weeks, and yeah, it just looked like what they were doing was good. But it was after a few months, I didn't care about Instagram at the time, so I wasn't even looking into what was actually happening. But after a few months, I started looking into what was actually happening, and they have followed like 2,500 people at this stage. They were doing like following people, unfollowing them, liking their posts, commenting on their posts. But like a load of the posts and stuff that they were engaging with were just pure rubbish. They were absolutely nothing got to do with what I was building here. It had no link to my brand whatsoever. And it was actually damaging my brand rather than making it better. Although it was picking up followers, it just wasn't achieving what I want to achieve, which is to connect with more business people. And when I was talking to them and I just told them my concerns on it, again, their answers that they were coming back with were really crap. Like, they were just saying, oh, you have to post more content that, you know, business people will engage with. And, you know, the type of posts that they want you to be posting are the spammy type of posts that you see out there with flash cars, flash lifestyle, watches, all this shit that I literally don't believe in and that's got nothing whatsoever to do with my brand. So I was never going to post them types of posts. They were saying, oh, these are the types of posts you have to be posting on Instagram and we'll get loads of engagement on these posts and all of this. So I eventually just said, no, I'm not doing it. I'm going to leave you. So I just stopped using them. I was paying them like 400 or 500 quid a month to manage my account for me. And they just done a really shitty job. And when I would go to them with concerns like that, the answers they'd come back with were just really shitty answers as well. But basically what I've learned about them since, just by watching what they done with my account and watching what they do with other accounts, it's just a real spammy type of strategy that they use. And again, it's one that I actually hate to see, would never engage with, just have no interest in. So it was a bad decision by me to even hire them in the first place. But that's what I done. So that's where a lot of the followers that I have on my account actually came from. And that is the big problem with it. Even when I started managing the account myself, doing all the posts myself, doing all my own engagement, it still wasn't working because I was still getting people that had literally no interest in what I was posting following me. And yeah, my account was following them. So I just unfollowed all of them. A few of them unfollowed me, but more importantly, there was just no authentic engagement going on. And that is the number one reason why I have decided to close down this account. And that is because it's not authentic in the way I'd like it. Like, I love the likes of the Facebook group that we have, where you can actually ask questions, comment on posts, talk back and over to other business owners, where it's just you there authentically engaging with other people. I hate the whole thing on Instagram where half the time you're not even engaging with the actual person that owns the brand or that's there. And, you know, that is just something that I wasn't happy with. And that's the main reason why I've decided to delete my Instagram account. And I'm going to show you me doing that just now. And just on that, I'm going to shoot a video reviewing the company that I use to manage my Instagram account. The reason I'm going to do this is so that none of you use this management company because, again, they're just a really bad, spammy type of company, and I wouldn't want any of you to use them. And what they do to get customers also isn't authentic. Like, they have affiliates on YouTube promoting their services and obviously getting a big affiliate commission when they're charging companies 400 and 500 quid a month to manage their accounts, and just not doing a good job of it. So what I'll be doing is putting together a video reviewing their service and how they've affiliates, signing people up for their service and all of that. But now I'm just going to jump back on so that you can watch me deleting my Instagram account and see exactly what happens when you delete an account with over 10,000 Instagram followers. Okay, so now is the time to go ahead, delete my account permanently for good. And to do that, of course, I went to good old reliable Google, typed in how to delete Instagram account, brought me to this page. On this page, I've just clicked this link. Then this brings you through to Instagram itself. The computer version of Instagram. Sorry that you'd like to delete your account. If you're looking to take a break, just temporarily disable it. No, looking to get rid of it for good, out of here. So yeah, why are you deleting your account? Too busy, too distracting. That's why I'm deleting it. Why? They're going to give me some reasons how to limit the distraction. So yeah, just going to continue on. Then here, just going to slap in my password now. Better block this up. Once you have your password in, just drop down here, click on permanently delete account. Boom, going to click this. What's going to happen? Are you sure you want to delete your Instagram account now? Okay. Sorry, your password was incorrect. Please double check your password. That explains how much I know about my Instagram account. I actually don't have a clue with my password. Give me a moment, just going to find this out. Okay, so I'm just going to run through this again. I've just got my password. Hopefully it's the right one this time. What was I saying? Too busy. Okay, so new password entered. Pretty sure this is the one. So now I'm going to go ahead, click permanently delete my account, blah, blah, blah. Okay. And then your account has been removed. We're sorry to see you go. That's it. Instagram account is gone. No more Instagram for this account. Again, still be using it for brand accounts. If you're selling physical products, Instagram's still an amazing place to promote your products. But yeah, for selling your own self, again, it's up to you. Whatever way you like to do it, then do it that way. But it's funny, as business people, we're kind of drawn into always growing, always getting more sales. And that's good. That's what comes natural. But when I set up this blog, when I first started producing videos on YouTube, that isn't what it was about. It wasn't about selling as much of a service, whether that's a coaching service, whether that's a course, as possible. That isn't what it was about for me. More about producing videos, getting to know other brand builders, and I can do all of that through YouTube, through the Facebook group that I've created. And yeah, I'll leave the link down below to the Facebook group if you want to join us in the group. And it's just a great place to learn off other brand builders. Hope that you've enjoyed this video. Look forward to speaking to you on the next one. Bye.